Hello, this is your next bronze book video. So we're going to recap some of the Sew Me stuff that we did, and we're going to add in some rhythm sections to that today. But first we're going to do our welcome song. Now you can keep a nice steady beat on your knees or on your thighs like this, or you can do thighs and shoulders, or you can get a bit more adventurous and cross your arms, or you can have a go at touching your nose and then your ears. Okay, so any of those, but make sure you keep a steady beat all the way through. So ready, steady, off we go. Welcome everybody, it's time for us to sing. Welcome everybody, it's time for us to sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's time for us to sing. Right, next we need to warm up our voices. So I'm going to use my cleaning cloth. You can use a pom-pom if you have one, or a scarf, or a tea towel, whatever you want to do. Right, so remember when we're doing our breathing, we try not to breathe from our shoulders up here, because that makes this bit really tight. So we need to have feet apart, flat on the floor, not sort of standing like this, okay? And imagine you've got a thread all the way from the top of your head right to the ceiling, okay? Shrug your shoulders up, drop them down, and then we're going to push our belly button right back to our spine, but staying nice and tall. So we go push, 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 then relax your tummy muscles. And you see how my tummy fills up there, but without slouching. Okay, so let's push our air again. And then relax. And we're going to do a hum. Fantastic. Try not to move your jaw up and down. Just use your eyebrows to go really high. Okay, let's do an ooh. Push your tummy out, put tummy back to your ribs. Relax. Ooh. And again, standing up straight. Push your belly button to your back of your spine. Relax. I'm going to do an E. And last up, we're going to do a really big yawn. And we're going to do that one last time. So push your air out, belly button to spine. Then relax. Fill all your tummy. We're going to do an ah, Oh, fantastic. Well done. Okay. Now, last lesson, we learned the hand signs for these notes. So and me. Now, we did the game, here I come, where from? Okay, and if you want to recap that video, you can use that anytime in the resources that I gave you. But we're now going to join up those with some rhythms. But first, I want to see if you can follow my hand signs with a little pattern. So this is my voice and my hand signs. These will be yours. So I'm going to do a little pattern, and then I'd like you to sing back, and this hand will help you. So it goes. My turn first. So me, your turn now. My turn now. So me, your turn now. My turn now. So me, so your turn now. Very good. How did you do? All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you the starting sound. So I will start all of my patterns with a so, and I'll say, off you go, and then I'm going to turn my volume off. So I'm still going to be using my mouth, I'm still going to use my hand signs, and I want you to keep your volume on. So you're going to be singing with my hand sign, but you don't know what's coming, okay? So as my volume goes off, you're going to sing what my hand does, okay? And then we'll do it together to check if you were right. Okay, so first time. Off you go. Let's do it together. So, me, so. How did you do? Okay, let's get my volume control ready. So as soon as I've said, off you go, that's your starting note on a so, I'm going to turn my volume off. Off you go. Let's do it together. So, me. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, so this is your starting note. Off we go. Let's do it together. So, me, so. Fantastic, well done. Okay, so we have a new song that uses so and me. It involves a ball again, and again I have a ridiculously huge ball because all my little balls are down in the church being used as resources. So here we go, it's my yoga ball time. So if you haven't got a ball with you, can you go and find a ball now? If you don't have one at home like I don't, you can just do an imaginary ball if you have to. Okay, so come back when you're ready, get your ball. Okay, are we there? Yep, all right, so the aim of this game is to bounce your ball doing the sung bit. So I'm going to show you and then you can catch it when you can. So it goes, I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch a ball with me? Let me just check the lyrics because I do a different thing. Yes, can you catch the ball from me? Okay, so let's have a go. Let's put the ball to the side first. Ooh, mine's not going to stay there, is it? No. And we're going to do an imaginary ball. So hold your ball in front of it and it goes bounce and catch. And I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? Should we have a go? I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? I did it wrong with my imaginary ball. I didn't do enough bounces. How many bounces are we going to do? Can you count them this time? Put your ball down and count how many bounces I do in this bit of the song. Off I go. I like coffee. I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? It should be 8 times, okay? Which means there are 8 beats and I am bouncing the ball on every single beat. Have one more go with me with your ball. The ball might go everywhere. This takes a bit of practice. Are you ready? Off we go. I like coffee. I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? Okay, now the next bit of the game goes like this. It's a bit tricky with only one person. The rhyme goes 1, 2, 3, change places. 4, 5, 6, change places. 7, 8, 9, change places. 10, let's start again. Okay, so imagine that you have, well, you can do it in partners. This is going to be person 1, this is going to be person 2, this is going to be my ball. Okay, so when we say 1, we pass to the other person. So it goes 1, 2, pass back, 3, change places. So if you're stood with your grown-up next to you, you go pass, then you pass back, then you pass back, then you swap places. Okay, let's just try that. So get your ball, whoever got the ball first, pass it to the other person. So we go pass, pass back, pass forwards, swap places. Okay, let's have a go with the lyrics. So it goes 1, 2, 3, change places, 4, 5, 6, change places, 7, 8, 9, change places, and then on 10, so that the different person gets it, you do a bounce. So you go 10, let's start again, go. And then that person, the other person of the pair, has to do the bouncing. I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? And then we have a go at passing it again. So have a go in your pairs and rewatch that bit of the video and see how it goes. If you get super good, instead of passing between for the 1, 2, 3 change places, 4, 5, 6 change places, you can do bounce, 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 change places, bounce, 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 change places. But that gets a bit tricky. And the main idea is that we need to try and keep it on the beat and really in time. Okay, so that's a little game that you can play. The lyrics are on page 14 of your bronze book. Right, so that's how the game works. You can pause the video now and play that quite a few times and see how you get on, and then come back to this later on. So now we're going to do the musical learning that goes with this one. So this, I'm going to sing it, I like coffee, with my hand signs, and then I'm going to sing it using solfa. So it goes, I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? In solfa. So, so, me, so, so, me. So, so, me, so, so, me. So we have a little repeating pattern in the melody, okay? So let's put the rhythm that goes with that. Let's have our beats. So we knew that we had 8 beats, didn't we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those were our 4 bounces. 5, 6, 7, 8. I like coffee, I like tea. Can you catch the ball from me? So this would be our bounce, 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 bounce. But when we take away these little circles, it just looks like lots of sticks. So that our eyes can see the beats, we put these across to join the ones that are inside a beat. Okay, and then we can take the circles away and we can see where the beats in the music are when we're reading the rhythm. Okay, so, and what do we notice about these 2 rhythms? T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. So it's the same pattern twice. Now if at this point you want to go and get some paper, and you can stop and you can write out those rhythms and practice writing out your rhythms inside your beats, you can do that. But let's have a go at clapping it together. Off we go. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. Now, the point of this lesson is now joining our rhythm and our pitching together. So it goes, so, so, me, so, so, me, so, so, me, what we see is that we can put a S, a S for a so, and a M for a me, and the pattern repeats. Let me do that. So we don't need this second line here, and we can have it bigger. So, me, so, me. So let's have a go at clapping the rhythm and singing the note names. So it goes so, me, so, me. And if you look on your book in exercise 4, there it is written out for you in stick notation for the rhythm and letter names for the solfa and the so mi. Now, here we've got exercise 5. Now, exercise 5 is what we call sight reading. So what we're looking at is we're looking at the rhythm, and then we're looking at the so's and the me's on the page, and we're seeing if we can work out what these melodies sound like. So let's just have a go at each of these in turn. I'm going to put the rhythm on the board and we're going to clap it, and then we're going to add the so's and the me's so that you can but if you want to stop the video at this point and have a go at that exercise by yourself and then watch the video to see if you got them right, then that's absolutely fine. So here we go. Here are our exercise 5s. Here's our first rhythm. Okay, so the rhythm goes ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay, underneath we have this. Okay, and if you're unsure, if we find a so and you don't know how to picture me, think here I come, and that gives you your me. Okay, so me, so me, or have a go at clapping it. So me, so me. Okay, next one. If we look down, there's one that has exactly the same rhythm. So let's clap the rhythm again. Off we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And then, this time, the me's and the so's have been mixed up the other way. But we can still use the same method to find the notes. So here I come, that's our me, that's our starting. So let's do it with hand signs first. Off we go, me, so, me, so. And then let's have a go whilst clapping. Off we go, me, so, so. Going from a me to a so at the start is much harder, so don't worry if you find that one tricky. Okay, the next two have got the rhythm that we have been used to using for the I like coffee, I like tea. And I actually call this my twinkle, twinkle, little star rhythm. T, 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 ta. Should we have a go at clapping it? Off we go. T, 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 ta. Now, here, we should recognise this one. It's the one that we've been working on. Okay, so this is my so. So, me, so, me. Let's do it with clapping. So, me, so, me. Okay, and the last one is the same rhythm pattern, but the me's and the so's have been mixed up the opposite way. So let's find our me and our so. Here I come, that's our me. And let's have a go. Me, so, me, so. Let's have a go at clapping it. Me, so, me, so. Now, that's as far as you want to go, that's fine. Exercise 6 is about trying to put these together. Now this is much easier when we're in a really big group, okay? Because I'd split you into teams and you can have a grown-up in each team so that it can help you with the pitching. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to do this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something over the top. Let's keep the same rhythm ones. So you're going to do the opposite to me. You're going to do the I like coffee, I like tea, so me, so me. And if you can get a grown-up to do it with you, I'm going to do the opposite one. So we will be singing what's called harmony. And don't worry if you get taken onto my voice, okay? So this is your starting note, and I'm going to say off you go, and you go for it and ignore what I'm doing, and hopefully the two things together should sound really nice. Okay, so this is going to be your hand, and this is going to be what I'm singing. Okay, actually I'll probably just, yeah, okay. This is going to be your hand. Off you go, me, so, me, so. Should we have another little go? Okay, so see, your pattern goes so, me, so, me. Okay, and I'm going to start down here, don't be put off, but start on the note that I sing, off you go. So, off you go, me, so, me, so. Were you able to keep your different one going against mine? Should we have one more go with the other rhythm? So, and this is a game that we will do when we're all back together again. And I will put grown-ups with you so we can do we can split into 4 groups and it will sound absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this is going to be your one. So, me, so, me. And I'm going to do this one. Okay. And you can have a go at doing this with the computer versions that I'm going to make for you and see if you can sing the opposite to what the computer is doing. Okay, so your one, so it goes so, me, so, me. And I'm going to sing off you go and see if you can copy that. Off you go, me, so, me, so. So I'm doing the opposite of you with my voice. I'm using this hand, you're following this hand. Try and ignore me, but listen to the nice sound it makes. Okay, so off you go, me, so, me, so. Now don't worry if you can't do that with the video, it's tricky. So what I would like you to do with the learning from this game is have a go at the I like coffee, I like tea game with the ball. So lots of bouncing, lots of trying to see if you can keep in time, keep the beats going while you're singing and the said rhyme, okay? Number 2, have a go at writing out some rhythms and putting some so's and me's underneath. I would suggest you keep 1 so, 1 me per beat. So don't try and mix up the so's and the me's. If you've got a TT, just put them both the same, me, or so, okay? And have a go at writing them out like this and create your own patterns, and then either you can record yourself and see if you can sing something different over the top, or you can have a go at doing it in family groups and pairings, or you can have a go at putting your little compositions, 4-beat compositions against mine in the video. If you mark where the places are that we're singing them, you can put your own things on top. So good luck, have a little experiment. As I say, when we're back together again, we will do those together and we will practice them, and they're super fun. And I know they're a little bit tricky over the videos, but keep having a go, using your voices and experimenting with those. All right, take care.